Okay, so here we go. Part 2 of testing out the Tatsunoko versus Capcom arcade stick. We're going to be switching on over to a good classic Street Fighter 2 Hyper Fighting. I actually like Hyper Fighting more than Super Turbo and HD Remix. Though HD Remix does have a lot better of a control scheme, it's still really solid and I enjoy it. Oh, it started off right where I was playing earlier. That's weird. I forgot that this game that they do that. Let me start this over. Or I could just, you know what? Never mind. I'll just do it from here. Here we go. I keep trying to do Guile's like hopping kick that is not in the game. It was added for Super Street Fighter 2. The buttons definitely do, while playing Street Fighter, feel a lot more solid than the buttons that were used during the Street Fighter 4 SC controllers. So I'm actually really enjoying this stock. I don't necessarily feel a need to upgrade this, unlike with the SC, where within moments you're playing, yeah, this is okay, but it could definitely be better. Mad Catz definitely did a good idea. I whiffed that one on purpose. I'm going to be switching characters now to a non-charge character. I'm going to be using Ryu. Yes. Continue. We're going to be using Ryu, and I stuck using a square gate with regular characters that aren't charged. So we're going to see me suck some more. The stick feels really nice compared to the stock Street Fighter 4 SC, I'll say that. There we go. Just trying to do that jumping hurricane kick. I don't know if that was just me or the controller. I'm going to blame me, actually. A few times you will not hear me blame the controller over for something I messed up in a fighting game. Now, give another try. And with that second, the second fireball, I want to get him with it on wake up, but messed up. But I still got him when he was doing the hurricane kick, so it's all right. As for curve circles, I tend to ride the gate. I'm used to American parts, and I switched over to using charge characters. Then I started using Sano parts. so I never really got used to doing quarter circles on square gates. But I think since Tatsunoko uses a lot of them, I will get used to it pretty quickly because I foresee me playing the crap out of that. So combo there. That took three tries to get that fireball. That one only took 1, 2.
Your plan was?
No one. So like I said, I think it's just me messing that up. Stock stick, especially for the Wii, yes, a lot better than the Hori fight stick that came out some time ago. I don't remember. So definitely a lot better than the Hori fight stick. I really, I have to hand it to MadCatz. Provided my controller isn't messed up sometime soon. This is a fantastic stock stick, not necessarily just for the Wii with its limited amount of sticks, but if this was released for the Xbox 360, PlayStation 3, I would say definitely it is a great stick as well. So that wraps up part 2. I'm going to give the stick a 9 out of 10. 9 just because the price is kind of hefty, but at the same time, it is wireless, and while I prefer a wired controller, most of the casual market, which is primarily the Wii's market, is going to love the fact that it's wireless as opposed to its Xbox 360 and PlayStation 3 counterparts. So there you go.